So hi, I got my tarot card reading done today and these two cards came up, and literally I am not a tarot reader, but the way it was explained to me, it really opened my eyes and I wanted to share it with you as well, because sometimes our situation is like this and I'm sure you're dealing, some of you, most of you are dealing with such situations as well. So just give me some time to explain. We'll be starting with the first card. Now this card, so now as you can see in this card, this person has blinds over his eyes. He's in a no position where he's like the two swords are here and there. It shows it's a no. And although everything surrounding him, as you can see, there is river, there is peacefulness, there's everything. So he has his guards up for a situation which is not even happening. Like he is literally in a war-like situation according to his head, and he thinks कि life इतनी ही है और उसके eyes बंद हैं और but he's not even opening his eyes, and according to him life इतनी tough है that he has to have his guards up with the swords in his hand. But in reality his life is this peaceful river where there are no enemies surrounding him. He doesn't have to have his guards up. He can really enjoy with his surroundings because they're so peaceful and so pretty, but he's not able to do it. So I am in such a situation, and I'm sure most of you are. Now when I compare my situation from this, I'm this guy right now. Where do I need to reach? I need to reach to this card. Now this card, this is Queen of Cups. So now if I can explain to you, the Queen, she's having this thing in her hand and this is her entire world. See, she is literally focused with her eyes open on this world. She's seeing what she's getting, what she's not getting, she's not even focusing on that. She's literally looking at what she's getting. So that's why I like tarot, seriously. It just relates to our life situation so well that nothing else does. Even though I have not studied them, but every time I have gotten a reading, it makes me feel like, what? Like, okay, that makes sense. So that's why I wanted to share. So if you can see, now in tarot, now her legs, her feet, if you can see, they are in the river. So this is the river of emotions. And now that her feet are in the river, it shows that she's fully taking care of her emotions. Her emotional health is great. And why? Because she's literally focusing on what her world is giving her, what she has right now. She do not have worries because she is looking at the world in the present moment, and that's what I love about it. That's what I love in this card. I find this card really powerful because she's just focusing on herself. She's focusing on her world, what she has gotten, what she can give to the society. Her emotions are in plain, her emotions are already flowing, so she's taking care of them as well, and she does not have any blinds on. Whatever comes up, she's ready to take on it. So basically, to come from this situation to this one, this is what I wanted to say. I found this perspective today and I'm so happy to have known this. Like, there are some things you already know but you can't put them into words, and these cards just put that, do that for me. So I just wanted to do this. This is like a 4-minute video. This is a very short video and I really wanted to make you understand the cards and how my life is this. Should I make more? I have so many cards. I have this deck of cards and I love decoding them in my own way, sometime through the readings that I get from my sister, who's a tarot card reader. So I love how she decodes them, and I love listening to them in a way that, if you see this card, what do you see? And there will be so many different interpretations to it. So I love doing that. So let me know if you would want me to make more. I love doing this. I probably will make more. Have a good day.